Okay, very good morning, everyone, and welcome to this lovely day on Saturday, the 18th of March. So, having a look at the synoptic, we see it's quite a colourful chart today. Going back overnight, there's various occluded fronts, which was bringing us quite a lot of rain. Looking ahead to midday today, it looks like a lot of those have either passed up to the northeast or just dissipated. But what we're left with is sort of these trough lines here and reasonably unstable weather by the looks of it. Looking ahead, we've got this cold front out to the west, which looks like it's going to be passing through pretty much overnight, leaving potentially quite a nice day tomorrow with some soaring to be had potentially, and then that warm front passing through tomorrow evening, and then all looking very colourful again on Monday. Today, the winds are quite light, and at height, we're looking at about 5 knots at 2,000 feet. That's just slightly south of west. Current view from above is just that. We can see the progression of that cold front well out to the west there, I think, the sort of line here. Other than that, there's nothing too specific we can see over our area at the moment. A little bit showery by the looks of it. But yeah, otherwise no massive clearance going to be had. Rain alarm is showing quite a lot of rain over our area at the moment, although if this does pass up to the sort of north or the east, might be a little bit of clearance, although the Met Office is suggesting sort of potential for showers all day. And if we have a look at the rain radar forecast, looks like this main part should pass through sort of by midday, so that's 10 o'clock and a midday there, but then it looks like out to the west and around our area we just get more and more showers developing. So that's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. So it's just various showers developing all day, which probably forecast is suggesting. Otherwise, very light winds and good visibility, pretty humid all day. Top temperature of about 11 or 12 degrees, so it should be quite mild with that light wind, and a dew point of about 8, so a small split there. And that's the current view outside. The cameras at Lasham aren't working, but you can get the idea. It's quite low cloud at the moment, and when I came over, it was drizzling. So Farnborough, their latest observation was few clouds at 500 with scattered at 1200. So that's about, 1200 will be about 900 feet above Lasham with light rain. And forecast, they're sort of covering themselves very much here. They're saying basically broken clouds at a height of 1,000 feet all day, so 800 feet above Lasham. But with a temporary from 9 till 10 of broken clouds at 400 feet with rain and drizzle. But becoming from 10 till 12, potentially scattered at a height of 2,500. But they're still covering themselves. They're saying 10 till 6 p.m. Good visibility, but rain showers. At 10 to 11, broken clouds at 700 feet. And at 12 till 5 o'clock, broken clouds at 1,400 with cumulonimbus with heavy rain showers. So a bit of everything there. Top Meteo suggesting lots of low cloud cover and sort of fog this morning. As we go ahead, this is 11 o'clock, starting to break up slightly, 12 o'clock. Yeah, so around our area, still got some lower cloud, but that is actually flyable. And by about 1, 2 o'clock, a little bit clearer, but with potential for showers around here. No TAMs, nothing in the local area. Got the usual few out to the west here, but nothing is going to be affecting us if we fly today. So operationally, if we do go flying today, it'll be runway 27 due to the very light southwesterly wind. It's possible with the grass being as wet as it is, we're going to set up sort of the wet runway operations with the launch point here, with the cables on the south side, just like this. And that will allow circuits onto the runway. So if it does dry out a bit, we'll go further back into the normal position and get higher winch launches. In terms of chances of flying today, it depends exactly how showery it is and if we get any clearance. I think the morning is probably unlikely to get flyable, but I think there may be something to be had this afternoon from about 12 or 1-ish. So hang on and we'll see what happens with the weather. I'll see you out on the airfield. Bye for now.